my God. Like I'm so tired and I'm so hot and I have this girl here. She wanna spend all my money, but it's not going to work. It's not going to work.
God, I don't even start yet.
Oh my God, there you are. Oh my God. Hi. Hi. Go ya, Bobby. First time on the road is Christmas. Be careful on the door of the money with school no caca. Yes. Polo shirt and my damn shorts. They give me my damn clocks. Troops say they sit there weird. Me tell the boy some want something we say custom. And him give me polo beer something. I don't really know if it's what wearing, you know. I don't really like anything that everybody is into. Because you know, I don't like the crowd. I like to be different. But this time I feel like following everybody. I don't know. It's money spending day. This is what Christmas do to me. Makes me very hungry. Can't you sorry for me? Are you not sorry for me?
Oh my God.
I'm spending from when and I'm working hard and I'm tired. I can't believe. Can you help me? Is there any Santa Claus out there? Anybody could be a Santa Claus. Just give me something.
I don't think so.
Oh my God.